Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back another time. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you that how exactly you can set up a Payoneer payment for your e-commerce website. Now, I think sounds real crazy because Payoneer does not have any kind of system that can capture payment for your e-commerce website, something like a PayPal has or Coinbase e-commerce has. I have another video for you guys. If you want to set up a Bitcoin payment for your e-commerce website, then check out the video I have created for you, link in the description or this I button. Now Payoneer has a different kind of option, something like you can capture the payment from marketplace or Fiverr or Upwork, but actually you cannot get payment or receive payment for e-commerce website. But with the one simple plugin, it's possible to do. So I researched a little bit and I found a way to capture the payment for e-commerce website with Payoneer. So I'll show you step by step in this video. So make sure you subscribe my channel and also like the video and also keep watching my video so you will get a lot of informational content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm in my WordPress dashboard here and simple digital store that we're trying to build actually, and I have already set up the Bitcoin payments. So if you not watch about my Bitcoin video about my Bitcoin payments, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch this video, link in the description. And also let's do this with the Payoneer thing. So as you can see, I'm in my dashboard here and I have a WooCommerce set up and everything is set up and ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to install a plugin here. So I'm just going to my plugin section and add a new plugin, and simply here you just search for Payoneer. So once you search for Payoneer, here the free plugin will appear. Which one is actually going to work? So as you can see here, there is a plugin here called Payment Gateway for Payoneer for WooCommerce, and there is a 3000 of the active install. This one is actually pretty much working, and this one is the only plugin that you can accept the Payoneer payment. You can capture the payment for your store, digital store or WooCommerce website with the Payoneer. So this could be so amazing. So just like install now button, and also it will just install as a typical plugin installing process actually. And once done the download, you just simply hit the active button here. So once the plugin is just active here, so all the way you need to just go through this Payoneer plugin here. So as you can see, I got my Payoneer plugin here. So there is no option will appear. So all you need to do, you need to just go through the WooCommerce setting option. So once you click the WooCommerce setting option, you will see this payment option here. So click the payment option here and you will see this Payoneer option here. That means the Payoneer gateway. So all the way you need to just switch it on. So just simply switch it on and then you just save change. So once you save the change, it's time to just manage or set up this payment option for your website. So once you set up, click the manage option here, and here it just few options come. It just enable Payoneer gateway, just click it enable, and title is Payoneer. And also here some few things will appear. So please make a payment, then first fill the form. You don't need to just touch these things. So all the way you need to just paste your Payoneer email, say here. So here my Payoneer email, so I'm just copying it here and just pasting it in this field. And also you need to just mention that when a user just submit a payment, then which status they will just see. So here I'm just here by default it just set to hold, so I'm just changing it to processing. So once a user submit a Payoneer payment option, you will get this, it is processing, they will get this processing status. So once you hit this processing, all the way you just need to save change. So let's check that how is really working or not. So I'm just copying out my store option here and just go to this Ignotic browser here. I'm just pasting it here. Let's load it up. So once it loaded up, you just simply click any of your products. So let's say I'm just clicking of this product and just add to cart button. So once you add to cart, you just simply click the checkout. And once you click the checkout, and you can see the Payoneer option is appear here. So all the way here you can see make the payment first and then fill up the form below. So as you can see here, my recipient email I just already showing up here. So what user need to do, user need to just send the payment to your email first in the Payoneer email, then all the way they just submit their email and their transaction and place the order. So after they place the order, you can actually get the notification on your website. Then you go to the e-commerce, check the order, and then you just check the payment and you just process. So this is how Payoneer payment work for e-commerce. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel. I'll also like the video and also keep watching this channel because I'm just going to share with you guys a lot of content. So keep watching and I'll peace.